When I painted this tank, I was very happy with the finish. The clear coat's beautiful, but I noticed in my preparation I had missed a couple of very slight dints, and that sort of stopped me in my tracks from going any further. So I didn't put the side stripes on, and left it. And the tank's lovely. And if I had the stripes on and had those little dints, I'd probably be okay, just leave it. But while I haven't actually fully finished it, I've decided I'm taking the tank off, fixing the imperfections I can see, then putting the stripes on, and then putting it back. I think it'll look fantastic once I've done that, but it's a good sound tank. I just need to get on with it. First things first, take the tank off, sort out where the blemishes are, filler, nice clean, new colour coat, base coat, clear coat, stripes, hopefully put some video in of doing that, clear coat over the top, and I should have a tank that's good for another 50 years. So, sorted out the imperfections with a bit of filler, recolour coated it, re-clear coated it, and then gave it a nice sand with 1500 wet and dry wet, just to key the surface. Now I'm going to go on and I'm going to put these stripes on. So let's see how we go on. I'm going to use some vinyl stripes, which I bought off a reputable seller on eBay. They're okay, I've got my bowl of soapy water. It's counterintuitive to use water on this, but it's the way to go. Got a lovely little squeegee that I have from when I've put on a screen protector on my phone, and a nice little sponge. Before I do anything with it though, give it a panel wipe. Make sure any grease has gone. Right, I'll crack on with the job. My work here is done. Well, there we go. Stripes are on. I think we've done a really good job of that. Usual panic when you've got vinyl going over curves, especially complex curves, it looks like it'll never ever fit. Using the hairdryer on a relatively low setting, I wouldn't use a heat gun myself, just to put some warmth into it. Yeah, keep working at it, bit of patience, and I think we're ready now to think about putting a clear coat on once it's dried out. I was a bit concerned about spraying clear coat straight over the vinyl, and I know people have had problems with that, and there's discussion about putting a very light mist coat on and then building it up. But talking to my local paint specialist and guru, he said best thing is use some adhesion aid. Spray that on first, let it dry. I think it says 30 minutes on here. Put that on over the vinyl, then go your clear coat. He said it should be fine. That's it with the stripes on. Really pleased with the way it's gone. Learned a few lessons along the way, but most of the imperfections I've got at the moment are only the kind of thing you'd expect from spraying outside. The odd little bit of insect walking around and such like. They'll polish off, and the other imperfections on the tank that I was really concerned about have now all been sorted, so it's a really good result.